Hi everyone, today I have a video to show you how to cook Cóctel de Camarón. That means shrimp cocktail. It's very easy to prepare. I have the ingredients here that we're gonna need to prepare it. We're gonna need a avocado, we're gonna need a lime, we're gonna need a quarter of onion, we're gonna need 4 tomatoes, we're gonna need a little bit of cilantro, we're gonna need tomato ketchup, we're gonna need 2 cans of tomato sauce, and we're gonna need shrimp, and we're gonna need crackers, water. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut all the ingredients here, and then we're gonna mix all of those ingredients. The ingredients, as you can see here, the only thing I have to do is to mix them. But let's get started. I'm gonna put all the ingredients in here, and then you're just gonna mix all the ingredients, and I'm gonna add the tomato sauce. I'm gonna put the other, and then I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna put the ketchup. You don't have to put all of it, just the half of it, and you're gonna mix it like that, as you can see. And then I'm gonna put water, we're just gonna need 1 of. Now I'm gonna add the shrimp, and I'm gonna add water. I already add the other that I had here on the table, and now it's ready to serve. I'm gonna try it so I can tell you how it tastes. I'm not gonna taste the shrimp because I don't eat meat. I'm vegetarian, but I used to eat it and I know it tastes really good. I'm just gonna taste the vegetables, but it has a taste in it. Really good. Try it, let me know how it works out for you. Like my videos, subscribe, and see you later. Bye bye.